This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off File Explorer ads in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To turn off File Explorer ads in Windows 11, first thing you need to do is open up a File Explorer. I'm going to click on my little folder down here at the bottom. It opens up File Explorer. You can also open File Explorer by holding down the Windows key and pressing the letter E at the same time. Anyways, to turn off ads in File Explorer, you want to click on the little three-dot hamburger menu up here at the top. And then you want to go down to where it says Options and click on Options. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to click on the View tab. And then down here in this window down here, you want to scroll down toward the bottom to where you see it says Show Sync Provider Notifications. Show Sync Provider Notifications. You want to uncheck this. If it's checked, then that means ads are turned on File Explorer. Check on that. Uncheck it. Go down to the bottom, click on Apply. And then click on OK. Now ads have been turned off in File Explorer. Thanks for watching.